Double versus Prizepick. Which betting app is better in 2025? Double and Prizepicks are two popular betting apps that offers unique features for fantasy sports enthusiasts. Double, launched in 2023, is a mobile-first platform focusing on simplicity and ease of use, but it currently lacks a web interface. Prizepicks, on the other hand, has been around since 2018 and provides a user-friendly experience on both mobile and desktop platforms, with a wide range of sports available for betting. Double offers flexible entry option with up to 12 ticks per entry, while Prizepicks allows 2 to 5 ticks and include insurance features to protect users' bets. Both platforms offer attractive promotions for new users, but Bubble's community engagement features and Prizepicks' wider sports variety make them appealing to different type of bettors. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.